Louisa from Insulated. As a result of spending more time at home, you have probably realised just how much more your conservatory could be optimised. You love spending time in your conservatory, however it's either too hot in summer, too cold in winter, or indeed both. If this sounds familiar, we have a unique proven solution. For a lot less cost than a new tiled roof, we can convert your unused conservatory into a comfortable living space you can use all year round. You can instantly cut your energy bills, reduce outside rain and traffic noise, and prevent uncomfortable sunlight glare that fades your furniture, all without any need for planning permission. During this ongoing coronavirus outbreak, while still offering our usual home visits, we are now able to offer advice and give a free, no obligation quote over the phone or via video call using WhatsApp, FaceTime or Zoom. We are also able to install in line with the government social distancing guideline, meaning you can transform your conservatory into a usable space sooner than you may have thought. As an exclusive offer to Insulated customers, if you place an order following your free survey, you will receive a massive 25% off your order. We've made it simple and easy to use, our video survey service. All you require is a smartphone or tablet and a tape measure. To save 25% off your insulated conservatory roof and to start enjoying your conservatory sooner, simply click the link below and request a callback to arrange a survey within 24 hours. Or if you prefer, phone or text our project manager direct on 07940 262253 and quote Insulated 25 to receive your exclusive discount. Myself or one of the expert Insulated conservatory surveyors are looking forward to meeting you very soon.